Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are processing pumpkins. I've been putting these pumpkins off for weeks. I have had them about a month and finally gonna get to them. It took a while. It's just I haven't been able to decide how I wanted to do them. Last year and the year before I pureed and froze. But I was really set on canning them this year. But after doing one pumpkin, yes, one pumpkin, which for the canning process you can't puree it. You can't can it pureed. So you need to peel them, gut them, chop them into 1-inch cubes, blanch them, and then can them. After doing one pumpkin, and I didn't even get through all of the peeling process, I said, why am I doing this? There are so many other ways I could do it. So with that being said, I am not canning them, and I really don't have the freezer space to freeze them. So I am going to be dehydrating my pumpkins, which the way that you do that, because it's kind of mundane, so I'm going to just do it and then bring you for the end product. The easiest way I found to do the skins and stuff on the pumpkin to get the actual puree is stabbing each pumpkin about 4 times all the way around, and then I stick about 6 of them on a baking sheet, stick them in the oven at 400 until they're soft, and at that point the skins come right off, the insides pull away, and they're super easy to scoop out, and then you're just left with the wonderful puree. So I have pie pumpkins. Of course you could use other pumpkins for this, but I just have the little sugar pumpkins, and that is what I'm going to be doing. Once they're pureed, I'm going to spread them out on my fruit roll-up sheets for my dehydrator, and then I don't have enough, so I'm also going to be using parchment paper. Just remember, if you have a dehydrator like mine that has the hole in the middle, you want to cut a hole in your parchment so the air can go through. So I'm going to have both my dehydrators going, and we're going to see how much pumpkin puree we can get out of, I'm going to be doing 8 pumpkins, because I think I want to stuff some pumpkins. So I'm not going to do all 11 that I have. I'm going to do 8 and see how many or how much powder that gives me. Also, real quick, different ways you can use powder, because I know I'll get asked this question. It's a 1 part of the powder to 4 parts water, and then that should give you a pretty good puree. Now, of course, for your preference, you could use less water, more water, whatever. That's just how I've been using it and heard about using it. Also, it could be used in smoothies. It can be used in soups as flavor, breading flavor, of course, desserts, if you put it back to a puree state. It's essentially, you can use it just like you would use my tomato powder, except it's pumpkin. Who doesn't love that? So let's just go ahead and get started. To show you what your pumpkin will look like. I have so much stuff going on. What your pumpkin will look like when it's out of the dehydrator. So it's going to be brittle. That is what you want. You don't want any type of gumminess or stickiness, and this went for about 18 hours. So this is just my I think 4-quart stock pot, and this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yeah, 8 pumpkins. So 8 pie pumpkins, and this is what I got. So I'm going to stick this in my food processor, get it to a powder, and I'll bring you back for the finished product. Guys, there it is. 8 pumpkins is 1 pint. of puree. And isn't it beautiful? They went for about 18 hours on the dehydrator. And that's what you got. After I powdered it up in my Vitamix, that is the end result. So I am super excited to try this, and look at the volume difference. Just think if you had canned up the 8 pumpkins or even froze the puree, it still would not be that small of an amount. So I am really excited because I really didn't have the space to can or freeze. So there it is, and I can't wait to bring you along for some recipes using this. I have so many ideas in my head. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.